What's up, everyone? It's time to bust out the champagne and celebrate. In this episode, we're celebrating our first anniversary with my number one powder coater, husband, and co-host of the Powder Coater podcast, Ross Scott. But that's not all. We've got a giveaway, special announcements, and updates, and we'll also hear from Ross on how he built his shop from the ground up. Learn how and why you'll want to make your next oven an electric one. Find out what supplies he used for his ovens, spray booths, and blasting room. We've got it all, and we'll review what we've learned over the years as well as the mistakes we've made. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.